In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your Instagram app to its latest. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can launch it. Now navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Here you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls. Now, scroll and click on the option Switch Account Type and set it to switch to personal account. Once you do that, you might get access to all the songs. Next thing you want to do is head back. If you have connected your Instagram account to Facebook account or the WhatsApp, you will need to remove that. For that, click on the option Account Center, then click on the option Sharing Cross Profiles. Now click on your Facebook account, then disable for these options. Next up, if you are connected to VPN, you will need to disable it. So launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option General. Click on the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. And that's it. These are the fixes for Instagram Music not showing all songs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.